Hey everybody, welcome to the opening day of dove season. Thanks for watching FNF Slayers channel. Hope you like what you see. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like to. We're gonna have a lot of content coming at you. So today's video, opening day, September 1, first hunt of the year. Let's make it happen.
Is this where we always hunt?
Not always, but it's where we're gonna hunt today.
If I still have my alien skit. It's a pretty hot.
Did you get them?
No.
No? Ollie's shooting the big bad BB gun today. Opening afternoon at the dairy.
Alright, we're crossing.
Alright, hold on, no more shooting. Let people walk by. Oliver's got his ears on.
You guys can be close to each
Yeah,
other.
grab the shade, might as well.
That way, we don't have to worry about two different kids.
Yeah, that's cool. You see all the collar doves on the fence over there?
Oh yeah.
There's one right there. Yeah, they got all these piles of stuff that they mix in with the hay for the cows back here. Those doves just come in and feed on those piles.
Where at?
Right here.
Oh, look at the coming from the back right there. Oh.
Dad,
Yeah, I know.
Caleb,
Dad,
come here.
Oh, those are pigeons, buddy.
Good, huh?
Alright, here we go. All those collar doves just got up.
Somebody just got crazy and took a shot.
I think that's exactly what he did. Look at, there's a white pigeon right there. If that guy comes over here, it's on. Right there, out front. Here we go. Look at, he turned. He turned. Kill him!
Take it.
Somebody!
Somebody take it.
You gonna shoot it or what? Huh? He's coming back around right over you guys. There you go.
There you go. Somebody took them. See, those guys are skyscraping, dude. Those guys are.
They're shooting way up there.
Yeah.
Ollie, stay over here, man.
over there.
Stay over here.
Out there, dude. Right above you guys.
Shoot him, Jared.
Oh man, my safety was on.
Ah, I got you.
Ah. Rookie.
Stay back over here.
Here it comes.
Right, right, right. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Got him.
How do you go get that?
Hey,
Get the
hey,
top.
it's on top of the pile, bro. Oliver,
Oliver, straight up there. It's right on top.
Oliver.
Caleb, it's right there on top.
It's
Go
up
get
there on top.
Over there.
That's way up there, but I figured I'd throw it up.
See what's up, huh? See what
Yeah.
happens.
Not much else going on yet.
Take him.
Stand back.
Take him, Dad.
Again, it's too far of a shot, but
You got some coming over the top.
right there on the left, right at us, right at us. Clear miss on my part. It's because the camera was on, that's why. Gotta find some excuse, right? Well, even with just those 4 spinners, we had one land in the decoys today.
So that pack of 4 costs 40 bucks?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get you a pack of 4 and one of those Mojo. How much is a Mojo?
I think they're like 35.
80 bucks, get
Yeah.
a setup.
Yep.
That's nice.
AA batteries. They all run 4 AA's. Right here on the left, there's 2 of them. Oh, did you get that one? Did you shoot that
I
one?
think so, bro.
Dude! I think you did too.
Nice. Got him?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, it's in the corn.
Oh, I went in the corn?
Went in the corn.
Lame.
Corn's not that hard to. That is if it's deep, but this they pounded it pretty neat.
It's about 5 feet in. Dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, gotta make an effort. You need to put your hat on, keep the sun out of your face, okay?
Okay.
I'll walk you out there.
Here comes another one right here. Watch these guys.
There you go. Nice.
Yeah, those collared doves are big, dude.
Dude, they're freaking huge, dude.
Come on. Wait, get the baby.
And that's how you can tell, like, because those collared doves, there's no limit, and there's no season. You can shoot them all year round. Just glance down the rows and see.
But it went to the top. It might be up in the top bush.
Oh, really? I was hoping just to look down the rows and see it. There it is right there. Ollie, come here.
Bro, hold it.
Let me hold your gun. Go across.
It's right in there.
Go down that road. Go grab it. Next one over, buddy.
It's right here.
That one right there.
Right there.
Walk all the way down there and grab it. Hey, I like how they planted the corn, dude.
That's what I'm saying. It's easy to find because I had one in there that was about 2 or 3 feet in. I was in.
Oh, this guy was way back in there.
You walk in there and everything. Yeah, they did it real neat.
Daddy, do you reach and collar them?
Eurasian collared dove, yes sir.
Reach it?
Kill him. We both missed. There's another one. Oh!
Good.
Dude, there ain't no way.
That's how far it was when he shot that.
There ain't no way.
That's why I told him, dude, because that's where he shot that last one from, dude. That last one he shot
Nah.
was way out there, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, right over our heads.
Dude, right there, right there.
Right over our heads.
Boom. Oh, that was you, dude.
I'll go get him, Daddy.
Pick him up.
That's you. That's not me, dude. You got him, and then I shot.
There we go, another one. Shoot him, somebody.
Right there, look at
Yeah, up high, coming right at us. Way up high. If he flies over us, though. Yeah!
Dad, kill him?
Come on down. Come on down. Hold on, son. Hold on. Oliver.
Hold on.
Wait.
Hold on.
Dad, kill him.
Watch this guy. Oh, my gun jammed again. I'm gonna have to take it and clean it real good. I didn't clean it before season. Hold on. Hold on. Hello?
Hello, are they recording today?
No.
Huh?
Not as far as I know.
Oh, okay.
He'll probably record in the morning. I'll let you know. I'll let you know if I find out.
Alright.
Okay. Oh, what in the world? Dude.
It's crazy, bro, because if I push the button, it pulls it out.
Yeah.
But when I shoot, it doesn't. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Crazy. Right there. Take that left one.
Ah,
What?
missed.
Seriously, you do have to miss.
Huh?
You
You just
have
laying in this
to.
morning, bro.
Yeah, no, I don't know.
You need to stand up.
You know what? It probably
Stand
is.
up, bro.
Here we go. Ooh,
Nice.
stopped him in his tracks.
Nice. Hey, that's what happens when you change your choke. Right there, Hank.
Ow. That's on my ears.
Hey. Standing up.
Hey, maybe.
Told you, bro.
Have me another bullet, son.
Caleb,
Thank you.
Caleb, we grabbed that bird right there.
Where?
Right there, right there with the pieces up.
Body full.
Thank you, sir.
Nope.
Not gonna do it. Oh, maybe. Get ready, guys.
I'll take the left one.
Go ahead. Ooh, nice shot.
That was mine, bro.
I was saying, nice shot.
I was telling Caleb.
Oh, well, it is 6:30, and the mosquitoes are coming out. Time to hit some bug spray. The mosquitoes are out. Oliver's on pickup duty. It's very important that after you're done shooting, you pick up all your trash, your empty shells, everything. Pick it all up. And that way, you respect the people's land, and you don't leave a mess.
You don't help me.
Absolutely, I can help you.
What did you get?
Dove?
Dove?
Yep.
That's a bummer that you only got. Okay.
Okay, so that's a wrap. Didn't get a lot of shots on camera because we're having some camera issues, but that's okay. We had a great opening day, good time, great fun. And so I ended up with, I think 6 or 7 of the Eurasian collared doves and another 5 or 6 mourning doves. Kind of a tough hunt this afternoon. The feed and hay and all that here at the dairy that we hunt wasn't set up this year like it normally is, and so just the way the birds were flying didn't work out. No excuses. Missed a lot of shots, but it's fun. Opening day. I brought out a whole bunch of shells, but I only broke into the second box. Didn't limit out, but that's okay. We got a bunch more hunts to come this season. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.